So the main objective of the working group 1 is to understand the behavior of several species, in our case olive, grapevine, tree, apple and pear, and almond and kiwi fruit, under different water conditions. To do this, we started to collect data among all the researchers to see this kind of behavior and if it is conservative and what are the differences among these different species. Then we started to make a review on this topic, a review for each species, and these are on the go. And then we tried to make a collection of different publications already published and on the way of publication by the different researchers, focusing on this to find what are the best variable to be measured and what are the indices and the sensor able to measure this variable for the plant behavior. So we have learned that there is a big debate, first of all, between what we consider the water status and what we consider the tree functionality, because sometimes it could be different. And so in the community, we want to understand the tree functionality instead of general the water status. Another things we have learned is about the importance to share data. We have a lot of data in our labs, and so the best things for, and with this project we can do this, is to share together the data and see a very conservative and large-scale behavior between the plant. And the third things we have learned is the importance of the young researchers. The heart of this project, I think, is the possibility that these young researchers has to go abroad learning in other laboratory and also to get new ideas to us to make new challenges in science. The working group 1, in the flux of the knowledge, the working group 1 is at the beginning. So we are involving the stakeholders, but the stakeholders now are still waiting for our results. And so the involvement is not a direct involvement, but they are making the audience for what we are doing. We have three priorities. The first is to conclude the reviews on these 5-6 species, because we can get a lot of information collecting the publication already done on this topic. Then conclude the special issue about what are the main variables and indices that can be used. And then we will collect all this information together with the data sets to make a list, species by species, telling what are the variable best usable, the sensor that can be used, and maybe, I'm not sure about this, what are the thresholds that we can use for irrigation.